Hello everyone, welcome to Paper Craft Mix. It's me, Brigitta, and I want to show you a beautiful haul that I did at BB Craft. BB Craft is an online store where you can find anything for your crafting, not only for paper crafting but as well for jewelry making, wax sealing. You find packaging there. Well, there is so much to see. And yeah, I will put the link in the description box where you can take a look yourself. This is the 4th time that I'm working with them, and yeah, I'm really thankful that they support my channel and that I can work with them. And this time I chose a lot of items already for Easter and spring, and I bought one thing, or I chose one thing for Valentine's Day. So this is for the YouTube program. If you have a channel with more than 100 subscribers, you can take a look at the YouTube program and see if you can cooperate with them. I really love the quality of their products, and I do have a coupon code for you, and that's MIX10 for 10% off your order on the website. So yeah, and again, all the links I will put in the description box. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this beautiful container, and it comes with a lot of metal enamel Valentine charms. I didn't count them, but in the description box, if you follow the link, you will see how many you get. You get several of the same one, so they are not all different. You get multiples of different ones, and I am going to show you what comes inside. I have a little tray here, and the first thing you have in this is this cute little enamel heart with the arrow through it. They have beautiful gold backing, and they are real metal, so quite heavy. What you also get is this beautiful red ribbon. Really cute. You get a beautiful flamingo, so this can be used not only for Valentine's, for any occasion, especially for summer. A cute kiss. This is also really sweet. All these charms are not only to be used at Valentine's Day, of course. You can use them all year. Look at this beautiful rose. Green leaves, red rose. Love it. And I do think this is the only one that we missed, and it's a small little pink heart. It's a lot smaller than the red one. Can you see it, the size difference? So yeah, so beautiful. Can't wait to play with that. I already did a few projects for Valentine's Day. I haven't shown it to you yet, but I was waiting for some of these things and from another order to come in to complete them before I want to show them to you. And it's really handy that they come in their own container. That's with a lot of items from BB Craft. Look, beautiful container in which you can keep them. Then I have more enamel charms, and they are all for Easter. I have these two. These look a little bit similar, but they have different color palettes, and these ones come with 10 in the pack. Also the gold backing, as you can see, and these are really cute Easter eggs. This one is totally yellow, really nice detailing, and you see them in the other bag. I also have the different colors, and that's this one. I will take one out as well. Also 10 charms in one pack, in one bag. And this is the same size, different colors, and a little bit of a different detailing. Can you see it? Really cute. I love these. It's so cute for the Easter crafts that's coming up, and spring, of course. So yeah, that were the charms. I also bought these charms. I took off the wrapper. It came like this again, in a sturdy box, and you have two styles of open charms that are bunnies. And these open charms I really like to use with resin. You can fill these with resin, so that's what I want to do with those. Sorry if I bump the camera. It's on my cord for recording, or for charging. I needed to do a lot of videos today, so let us see. I always struggle getting these bags open. So yes, I have to take them out because I thought they were all the same when I ordered them, but they are not all the same. Look how cute they are. You got 3 different ones. They're quite large, as you can see on my hands, and yeah, they are see-through, so you can fill them with resin, and that's what I want to try out with these. The silver ones, you also get this cutie one. Look how cute is this. And another one that's totally a big one. Can you see it? So cute. So I can't wait to go play with that. And you get the same ones in the color gold. Really cute, and I love it. Bye. My daughter is going to her boyfriend, so yeah. So yeah, these are the open bunny charms that I want to play with, that I want to fill with resin. So yeah, also for playing with resin, they have a lot of items, a lot of molds and all the extras that you need for that. So yeah, then I also could not resist to buy an Easter, or to choose an Easter wax seal. The wax seals at BB Craft, these ones also came with a handle, just like the ones that I have from Caroline Design. And I did love this design. Look, I hope you can see it. It's a tree with Easter eggs in it. How cute, how cute. So sweet. So yeah, I can't wait to try this one out. I have planned an evening of wax sealing. I need a lot more to do, so yeah, that's that. And then we are going to the dies that I've chosen. The first one is not Easter related, and that's this one. I hope you can see it. Most of my dies are from the brand Global Land that you can buy at BB Craft, and I really love this one because this is a size or a die for a standing card with a rotating middle part. Super cute. It's hard to see in the packaging. You get some extras like the word happy, a birthday hat, some small extras, the layering pieces for the panels of the card, a large flower, and in the back you see also a cute cupcake. So yeah, I really love to try this one out. I can use it with this, but of course you can use any dies from your stash that fit here in the middle. So can't wait to show you that how that looks. And another one that's not really Easter related is this one. Well, I do have to take it out of the packaging. This is not from Global Land. This is from a different brand that they sell. It doesn't say on the packaging, but you will see it when you look it up through the link. And I really love it because I really want this pot. I don't have a pot die like this. And it comes with a cute acorn. The critter is an acorn with the large teeth. Can you see it? It's so cute. You get a die for the grass, for the ground, and a lot of extras for flowers. A little ladybug. Yeah, it was so cute. The image on the website was so cute. I love it, and I really want to go play with that. I couldn't resist it. And then we are going to the Easter dies. This one is also from Global Land. I will take it out because it's hard to see. And they all sit behind each other. Look, it's an egg. A cracked open egg. I hope I say it well in English. So you can see it here. You get the bottom part and the top part of the cracked egg. And you get a die here for a cute little peep. It goes on the inside of this cracked egg. And you get an egg die, a small egg die, and different layering pieces for the eggs. Also, this looks so cute on the website, so adorable. And yeah, I'm going to use it for some Easter crafting. The next one that I bought for Easter is this one. And this is a set with 2 background dies, or cover plate dies, I must say. That's more the correct word. The numbers on the website of BB Crafts are really long, so please take a look through the links if you are interested in these products. The first one that's in here, that's not my favorite one. That's this die. So you get a bunny behind a lot of flowers that you can cut out, and you get the word Happy Easter. You cut it out so I can use it on any of my projects for Easter, not only on this one. But yeah, looks sweet. But I wanted this set for this background or cover plate, and this one is totally eggs, as you can see. Different kind of shaped eggs, well, not shaped, but different kind of decorated eggs. And I think this will look so cute on the background of a card. I just love it. So that's this one. And then we go to the last die set. This one is not from Global Land, it's from another one. And it's a small one, also Easter. Easter eggs, love it. And I chose this one because you get the Easter eggs in different sizes. Can you see? I do have a few dies from Easter eggs that are small like this, but here you get a nesting set and it goes to a lot larger eggs. And look, it's 2 inches wide and about 2.5 inches tall, the biggest one. So that's why I bought this one. And you get the Happy Easter words, and you get 2 little bunny dies. And here as well, look, this is totally mega cute one. So adorable. This one can be used on embellishments. Well, these ones too. It's a jumping rabbit and a normal one. Super cute. And again, I can combine all these dies in nice Easter projects. So yeah, this is all that I have in this haul from BB Craft. Thank you, BB Craft, for working with me again and for giving me the opportunity to work with your beautiful dies and other crafting products. Take a look at my links in the description box, and don't forget, if you like anything on the website, to use my code MIX10. Then you get 10% of your total order when you are at the end of your order, and if you are at the payment, you can add the MIX10 and you get 10% out of your whole order. Off of your whole order, I must say. So yeah, I'm really curious what you think about these products. Which ones are your favorites? And which ones do you want to see me craft with first? I'm very curious, and yeah, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you will be back for my next video. Bye for now.